Have you ever felt that your coloring pages are missing something? Not bright enough? Not interesting enough? Don't worry. After watching this video, you will learn. What are complementary colors? A super simple slogan to help you remember. How can complementary colors make your coloring books look amazing? Make colors brighter and add more layers. Understand the magic of complementary colors with fun little stories. It won't be boring. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cola and Ben Coloring. Today, in just 5 minutes, I will share with you a super easy but powerful color trick that you will love. Ready? Let's go into the world of color magic. Imagine your best friend and you are shopping. Your personalities might be very different, one outgoing and one gentle. But because of this, when you are together, you show each other's special charm, right? Complementary colors are like best friends in the color world. They are colors opposite each other on the color wheel. It sounds professional, but it's very easy to understand. Think of a color wheel like a pizza cut into slices. Complementary colors are the colors that sit across from each other. Here's your easy memory trick. Opposite is a perfect match. Red's opposite is green. Blue's opposite is orange, yellow's opposite is purple. That's it. No complicated formulas, no hard rules to remember. Why do these combinations look so amazing? Because our eyes naturally love contrast. It's like when you wear a black dress with white pearls. Instant elegance, right? This is the same magic, but for your coloring books. Remember it. You can say it in your mind 100 times. Opposite is a perfect match. Opposite is a perfect match. For example, imagine red is opposite green, blue is opposite orange, and yellow is opposite purple. They look very different, but when you put them together, they create a wonderful effect and make each other shine. Let me tell you a little story. One day, a very red apple was lying on a very green grass field. The apple thought, "Oh no, am I too bright?" And the grass thought, "Am I too plain?" What happened? When the sunlight shone down, the red apple looked even brighter and more alive on the green grass. And the green grass became more lively and not boring because of the red apple. They made each other look amazing. This is the magic of complementary colors. Red and green are perfect complementary colors. When you put them together, they both shine. Now we know the opposite is a perfect match trick. How can we use this in our coloring books? Make important things stand out. Do you often feel that some pictures don't pop even after coloring for a long time? Complementary colors are here to help. For example, if you are coloring a red flower, try using some light and dark shades of green in the background or on the small leaves next to the petals. You will see that the red flower instantly becomes brighter and more three-dimensional, like it's jumping off the page. Because red and green are complementary colors, they make each other look stronger and add layers to your work. Create a strong visual effect. Sometimes we want our work to look more fun and energetic, right? Complementary colors can help you do this. Imagine you are coloring a blue sea. If you add some orange colors like red-orange or yellow-orange to the fish or seaweed in the sea, you will see that the whole picture instantly becomes full of life. The orange touches are like dancing in the blue sea, very eye-catching. Blue and orange are complementary colors. They create a strong contrast and make your work full of visual energy. Big area versus small touches. Using complementary colors doesn't mean you have to fill the whole picture with them. Sometimes just a little touch can make a big difference. You can choose one color as the main background color, and then use its complementary color for small details or to highlight important areas. This will keep the picture balanced and make your work more special. Now it's practice time. Let's try it. Now you know the opposite is a perfect match secret. Next time you pick up your coloring book and colored pencils, be brave and try using complementary colors. You can find a picture with mostly green plants and try drawing a red flower in the middle or adding some red things in the background. You can find a picture with blue sky and white clouds and try drawing orange sunset colors in the sky or making the edges of the clouds a little yellow-orange. You can find a picture with purple grapes and try using yellow shades on the grape leaves or using light yellow to highlight the edges of the grapes. Trust me, with more practice, you will see your coloring work become more alive and amazing. And you will start to see all the colors around you in a new way. That's all for today's 5-minute color theory. I hope you all liked this simple and useful complementary color trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Cola and Ben Coloring, and share it with more friends who love coloring. You are also welcome to share your coloring work using complementary colors in the comments below. Want to learn more fun coloring skills? Remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting content from Cola and Ben Coloring. See you next time, and happy coloring!